Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the fuse for the front passenger presence module is located, where you can find that fuse, that's practically the sensor in the passenger front right passenger seat that detects if the passenger is heavy enough to activate the passenger airbag. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse controls that, where you can buy cheap parts and tools that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them, guys, completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, the front passenger presence module, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them. Before we start, I want to share something with you. Consider this, guys, okay, video for entertaining purposes only. We'll explain why in a second. Now, it should work on both Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban because both of these vehicles are built on the same platform. But guys, the Chevy Tahoe is just a little bit shorter. It should apply to both. Now, there will be 5 different fuse boxes that most people do not know where they're located. That's okay. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. What we need to do now, guys, open the passenger door. On the side of the dash here, on the passenger side, we have a fuse box. Right here under that cover. Pry the cover open and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, why this video is considered for entertaining purposes only? This video is not a how-to video because you have to be qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, otherwise you can get seriously hurt or even killed by them. Now, quick reminder for any of you that are qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, you need to know that, just quick reminder to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, never use any metal tools, okay, around module, fuses, airbag sensor, wires, anything like that. And guys, you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect first and which battery terminal to connect first, otherwise you can burn modules and computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, the fuse that we need to check, okay, that module is known as occupancy sensor or front passenger presence module fuse. If you come in that row here, the fuse is 26. It's that double 10 amp fuse that's known as micro 3-plate fuse. It could be super expensive or hard to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. But that's the main fuse. You don't have a relay, guys. The computer is practically the relay for that, so you have only a fuse. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.